that you're counting for me, baby, cause you hold me down. And when you with me, it's a feeling, all you do is smile. It ain't no chick up in this world that could replace you now. That's why I spin it on you now, because you hold me down. I grab the chopper and the clips, I got you loaded now. I spin the block, I got you hanging out the window now. See, that's my baby, that's my shawty, my little rider now.
Hey guys, welcome back to Life with J&D. So right now, Joelle is in the gas station getting us some snacks for our road trip. So today we're gonna be driving from LA to San Francisco. So we have 1 hour left till we get to San Francisco, and we'll show you guys what hotel we're gonna be staying at and everything we're gonna be doing down there.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper with.
So today we're in San Francisco and we're going to be visiting a couple of places.
Yeah, so we'll be going to the Palace of Fine Arts, the Golden Gate Bridge, Fisherman's Wharf, Pier 75, 95, 95, 39. I've only been here. This is my second time being here. Winter, come on. This is my second time being here, but yeah, hopefully I can fly my drone and stuff.
I belong to you.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else.
Yeah.
Let you down.
Let you down. All my melodies,
He acts like he's never used a freaking
take me to your heart.